everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ning. I'm going to talk to you about what's in my purse video. And this is my Speedy 30 in monogram canvas. Okay, let's get started. I got this bag, I believe, from 2013, if I'm not mistaken. This is my first Louis Vuitton, and it's my favorite purse. I have a couple of Louis Vuitton purses, and I think you've seen it before. So let's get started and see what's inside my purse. Okay, first I'm going to show you that there's a D-ring here, and I'm using this to put my pass. This is my pass at work. I always carry this because I can't get in if I don't have one, right? So then I have my case of wallet. I have done a video about this already in the past, and you can see it on my channel. I did an unboxing, but it was like it's not even a good one. So, but if you wanted to look at this one, then you can just check it out on my channel. Anyway, the next one I have is my mini pochette. I always carry this. This is very handy for me because I have all my accessories here. I don't have to go through it inside here because I already done and what's in this one already the other day. And also, I'm trying to get organized here. I carry this also in my purse. This is a Victoria's Secret body mist. Okay, it smells so good in here. I also have a little brush that I always carry. I like combing my hair. Anyway, I also have this sage. This is a sage that I always carry as well. Comes with different roll on. This is for if I have a headache or my stomach hurts and stuff like that, for pain medication, and it helps me with some pain, and I always have this in my purse. Okay, also I have these gloves just because I live in Canada. It's very cold in here, and I always have this in my purse just in case. All right, and also I have, this is from my sister. I always carry this. She gave this to me, and it's a little crystal thing that I always carry. She said it's a good luck. So anyway, this is always in my purse, no matter what. Every time I go, I have to carry that for some reason. And also my sanitizer, I just put it inside my purse, so I always carry this almost empty, but I got this from Bath and Body. I don't have room for my mini pochette, that's why I just throw it inside the bag or put it in the pocket, right? So anyway, that's all I have inside. I also put this this one here inside my Speedy 30 because I don't want to get my Speedy 30 dirty inside there. And so that's all I have inside, and I try to be organized with this purse. I really love this purse. It's so good, and it's a perfect size for me. So I hope you like what's inside and what I have here. It's my favorite purse. It's very versatile. I love this. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. See you on my next video. Bye.